Shakas, Aloha Crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to help celebrate with my friend Olivia. She is ORM Crafty Designs here on YouTube. She has reached 1,000 subscribers. She's doing a challenge. It's called Journey to 1,000 Challenge. And in order to enter, you've got to be a U.S. citizen, visible subscriber to her channel, 18 years or older, and she's just requesting an ATC coin. Crafter's choice. And so an ATC coin is like an ATC card, except it is round like a coin. And I'm going to share a few that I have gotten over the years. Some of them have who it's by, some of them don't, but so this is an ATC coin. Some of them are back sturdy, some of them are not. This one is from Gemzile. She's here on YouTube as well. And then this one here, this is from Donna H. She's here on YouTube as well. So yeah, you get the idea. And this is from Creative Sanctuary. So those are ATC coins. And so you had to make one and send one in for your entry. The deadline is September 15th. So you do have time if you want to get in on it. I will leave her link to her YouTube channel in the description box below, so you can go find out the pertinent details in order to enter this awesome giveaway and to help her celebrate reaching 1,000 subbies. Woo! I'm almost halfway there. But here is my ATC coin that I did make, and I just made a little pocket for it. And so I did use some basic gray paper is what I had, and then I did cut about 3 thin cardboards to put in the middle to make it sturdy. But this is my entry here, and I just used some Dollar Tree flowers that I had in my stash, some rhinestones, this layered hooray, added some ribbon, and then added this resin mini head that I have, and then the back made with love. And so yes, this is my entry into ORM Crafty Designs Journey to 1,000 Challenge. And so hope you guys are having a crafty day. Until my next video, shakas!